Thank you and welcome to the Viral Affiliate Fast Track to $1,000 a week. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking your full potential as an affiliate marketer. You did the right thing, and I like working with action takers. So the first step you want to do before importing and setting up the funnel on Systeme.io, you want to go back to the bridge page of your sponsor and create free accounts on Systemio and Leadsleap through these buttons here. Blue button for Systeme.io and the orange button for Leadsleap. You can also go back to his welcome email that he sent you, something that looks like this, and you want to click on any link actually on this welcome email. It will take you back to the bridge page of your sponsor, and then you can create free accounts from this button and this button. So we will be setting up everything on Systemio and Leadsleap. Once you click on the blue button, you'll be taken to a page like this where you can create a free account on Systeme.io, and if you want to check the pricing tab here, you will see that you can build up to 2,000 contacts. You can have 3 sales funnels, 1 course, unlimited students, and much more for the free plan. Later, if you need more resources, you will buy the plan for $27 or $47 a month, and your sponsor will be making 60% monthly commissions. Same thing for you. If you promote the system, you will get affiliates on Systeme.io, and if they upgrade, you will be making 60% monthly commission on these prices here. So before we move to the step where we import the funnel to your Systeme.io account, make sure that you created an account and you are logged in actually to your account. So this is what will look like your Systeme.io account, completely empty. And if I go to contacts here, there is nobody, no funnels as well, and no email campaigns. It's completely empty, and we are going actually to first import the funnel pages and customize them, rebrand the bridge page. Second, we want to import the email campaign and rebrand the affiliate links that are on the emails themselves. You need to go to each email of the 3 and put your own affiliate links or bridge page link in the emails. So the emails need to be rebranded as well. After that, we will be doing an automation rule to connect everything together. So let's go ahead and import the funnel pages. So you want to go back to the thank you page. This is the page where you are right now actually. And if you go a little bit down, you will see 2 buttons. The red one is to import the pages, the funnel pages. The blue one is to import the email campaign. So do not click these buttons yet until you create an account on Systeme.io from the bridge page of your sponsor and log into your account. After that, you click on this red button and see what happens. You have the funnel already imported to your Systeme.io account. Here you are pointing the capture page, and here you are pointing the bridge page. So let's see what this page looks like. So if I click here, view funnel step, this is exactly the capture page that is used in this system. And if people subscribe through this form here, they will be added to your email list on Systeme.io. So as you can see here, this is also the bridge page that you will be getting. So if I click on it like this, you will see the same copy of the bridge page that you were on earlier. Now let's go ahead and customize this bridge page. So go back here and then make sure you are selecting the thank you page and then click edit page. So here is what you want to do. you want to go down and you want to put your affiliate links on every one of these 5 buttons here. The first one we will leave it for later because this button will link to your copy of the PDF report. After we rebrand it later on the video below this one, you will see how to come back here and link this button to your copy of the PDF report. Now you want to put your own affiliate link for System.io on the blue button. How you do that, you want to go to your System.io, make sure you go to dashboard and then affiliate dashboard, and this here on the right side is your affiliate link for System.io. So click on this symbol here and it will be copied to the clipboard. Go back to the editor and then click the blue button. So when you click the blue button, you will see all the options here at the left hand side. So you choose open URL and then you paste your own affiliate link for System.io here. So I will put Control V, I pasted it here and I ask to be open on a new window just like this. Open in a new window and then make sure you hit the save button on the top right side. Click the save button. Now your affiliate link is on this button. You do the same thing for the Leads Leap button here. Select this button, go to your Leads Leap account and then go to this section where it says affiliate links and tools and copy the main affiliate link. So select it and then copy it and then go back to your editor and then make sure you put the link right here. Your link for Leads Leap, you put it right here just like this, and after that you hit save. This button, the green one, will have your favorite make money online opportunity or offer. It can be, for example, Live Good or God Backup or any other program that you are doing. You hit the button and then you copy and paste your affiliate link right here on this spot, and don't forget to save the changes. Now, if you really want to snowball your promotion about your favorite make money online program, especially if it's a matrix program like Live Good or God Backup, then you want to promote the VAT system. You want to get your affiliate link and put it right here. Not only it will build your downline on your favorite make money online program, but it will also make you 60% monthly commissions with the system. So go back to the bridge page of your sponsor, click on this link here. It will take you to the Warrior Plus page where you can request for approval and you will be instantly and automatically approved. So you copy your affiliate link from this page here, go back to the editor and make sure you plug that affiliate link to this yellow button here, put it right here and then save the changes. So from now on, those subscribers who subscribe to this list will be able to upgrade to this VAT system from this button here, which will make you 60% monthly commissions and will snowball your promotion of your favorite make money online program. Here is one more thing that you want to do about your funnel. After rebranding the bridge page, you want to give names to your pages. So you go to the funnel section here on top and then you will see your funnel, click on it and then you will see the 2 pages, the squeeze page and the bridge page or thank you page. So you want to give names to these pages here. You just click here and put the word, for example, start. So your squeeze page will be named your username.system.io/start, and if you want to copy the link, you just click on this button here and it will be copied. And then let's go ahead and test it. I will open a new tab and then paste the link and click. This is your link for your capture page. This is your link for the capture page, the link you want to promote. Anyone who subscribes here will be added to your list, will receive your email campaign, and will be sent to the bridge page where all your affiliates are. And when they download the ebook, there will be also your affiliate links inside of it. Let's go back to our funnel. We did name this squeeze page. We put start here, and then you just click on the thank you page or bridge page and give it a name that makes sense. Let's call it, for example, bridge. Okay, so when you click here, it's accepted. So this is the link for your bridge page, the whole link like this. If you want to copy it and open it on a new window, you just paste the link and click on it. So now you know your two links. This is the bridge page. This is your copy of the bridge page, and this is your copy of the squeeze page. So now it's time to go ahead and import the email follow-up sequence. So now you are watching this video on this page here, and we used the red button to import the Systemio funnel. Now we are going to use the blue button to import the follow-up email campaign. So let's go ahead and do it. We will click here, and as you can see, it just took me to my new system account, and then it gave me the 3 emails that are on my email campaign. Look at this. I click on email campaigns. I have only one campaign that has 3 emails on it, and each email, the first email is the welcome email. It goes right away after someone subscribes to your list. The second one will go 1 day after, and the third one 1 day after as well. Now here is what is very, very important. You want to actually open each of the 3 emails like this, and you want to change these links. These links, all of them take to the bridge page, to your copy of the bridge page. So you want to update the links here and like select this text here, and then you want to change this link on top to your own bridge page link, and then save the changes with this button here. So same thing, you want to select the other link right here, the blue here, the blue link. So you click on it, and then you change the link on top and save. This is a System.io affiliate link, so you can grab your System.io affiliate link and put it on this text here. So you paste the code right here on top and then save the changes. Go all the way to the bottom and then put your bridge page affiliate link on this text here where it says start here. So you click on it, you go on top here, change it, put your bridge page link here and save the changes. Once done, you click save here on top right side and exit. So now that you changed the links on the welcome email, click save again. Make sure you click save multiple times so that you are sure that the affiliate links are changed, and move to the next email. So you go to the next email. Everywhere where you see this, it's the bridge page, your copy of the bridge page. Link it to this text here. Click on it, you will see the link here. Put your own bridge page link here and save the changes, and you do that for the rest of all these text here or links here. This is a System.io also link. You can just rebrand it with your own affiliate link, and now save the changes everywhere, and you do the same on the third email. So click save and then exit, and you can open the third email and do the same thing. Very important to change your links on the 3 emails that you received. Here is another point. You can add actually other emails later to your follow-up sequence. If you want to add a series of emails promoting only your favorite make money online program, you can create multiple emails here. Every time you click create, you give the subject line, and then you click save, and then you start creating your email. So this follow-up sequence might go to 10 or 30 or 40 emails, nurturing your leads and of course providing value and of course promoting your favorite make money online. So now that we imported the funnel and rebranded the pages, and we imported the email campaign and also rebranded all the affiliate links inside, we want to connect everything together by creating an automation rule that takes anyone who subscribes from the form on the squeeze page and adds it to the email campaign so that he receives the emails one after the other. And to do this automation rule, we want to go to funnels, and then we want to open our funnel, and then we want to make sure that we are pointing the squeeze page here and click automation rules. We want to click this button to add a rule, and this is the rule you want to choose: funnel step form subscribed. Click on it, and then you want of course to enter inside of it and put some actions. We want to click here, and I want to add the first action is to subscribe to the campaign. I want to add anyone who fills up the form to be added to this campaign here that I already imported. So this is the email campaign. Let's choose it and then save the rule. That's number one. Now everything is connected and anyone who subscribes will get his emails. Now I want to add something else. Actually, I want to create a tag and tag these people. So I'm going to create a tag here, create, and I will call it, for example, VAFT for Viral Affiliate Fast Track. Click Save, and I have a tag here. Let me just refresh everything. I want to go back to my funnel, and I want to open it. I want to go to my automation rule here, and I want to open it, and then I want to add another action, add action here, and add tag. Then you choose the tag. This is the tag that we created. Save the rule. Right now, anyone who subscribes from my squeeze page will be added to this email campaign and it will be tagged. If in the future I want to send a broadcast only to those tagged by this tag, I can do that. So if I cannot, if I want to send an email and not send this to these people, I can also do that. It's very important to tag your subscribers so you know what to send where. Now the funnel is done, is completely done. We have one more thing to do, and that's rebranding the PDF and attaching it to the right button on your bridge page. We are going to move down to the next video where we will talk about rebranding the PDF report and linking it to your funnel on Systeme.io so your future subscribers will be able to download it on the red button of your bridge page. So see you on the next video.